In this activity, we'll demonstrate a cross-site scripting or XSS attack using burp suite. XSS is a common vulnerability that allows attackers to inject malicious script into web pages viewed by others. Well, tests by injecting a basic script into field or checking it if execute in the browser. This helps us understand how dangerous it when user input is not properly filtered. So let's do that. So punta ulit tayo sa Altoro 1. So number 1, find a search or input form. So locate the search bar or comment bar or any field. So let's locate first. So ito. Then in burp set request, when you submit data, modify the field set the data field with the following XSS payload. So ito siya. So pindutin muna pala natin to. Sa atin test. So yun. So dito tayo maglalagay ng script. Apply changes, then supposedly yun. So partest net says XSS attack. So tingnan natin mag-test. Yun. So that's it.